Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you are, I hope you decide to stick around. Today I'm doing an unboxing and it's gonna be the same thing that I did last time, but new colors. And when I say new colors, I literally mean that there's something in here I've never tried before. There are also colors that I'm in love with, but can you believe, like, there's something in here I've never tried before? So let's get to it. If I seem delirious, it's because it's 2 a.m. and that's when I can find the time to do things like this. I have a lot of cat hair on me in general, but I'm wearing a lot of black, so thank you, Nala and Mr. Mitt, for having white hair. Also, shout out to my UGG blanket for loving to shed. Best $200 I've spent in my life. So, what's in the secret box? Maybe it's just a string. Maybe it's an embarrassing photo of me. Maybe it's Manic Panic. We all know it's Manic Panic because that is my jam. Oh, I forgot about this girl. I have plans for once, but it's not going to be this time. But still, I'm excited. Okay, so that is for this because I was thinking about getting Blue Angel, I believe it's called, which I've bought before but never used. They were out of stock and they were like, if you want to achieve this, then buy Bad Boy Blue, which I have used before, and mix it with our pastelizer. And so I was like, bet, but who knows if it'll come out exactly the same because I don't know how much I've mixed in, but like, I'm gonna do a science experiment. And we all know I'm not a scientist, based off my previous footage, but I still like to pretend. So that's that. And then let's just get right to this. This is my favorite color all time. Electric Lizard. It glows in black light. It's beautiful. I love it. Everybody should. Everybody should try it at least once. I don't get paid for this. I just love them. Always have, always will. Thanks. So what's new? Because you told us there was something new and you just haven't gotten to it yet and we're all bored. Would you hate me if I told you it wasn't new? I mean, I'd be like, what's wrong with you? The answer to that is a lot of things, but this happens to be something that Manic Panic said they were bringing back. I've never tried it. The only thing is I looked this up and I saw very different pictures of what the color used to look like and what the new one looks like. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know what's going on with Google. I don't know anything. But what I do know is that I am way too stoked to put this on my head. Okay, hold up. Since that was backwards, let's just appreciate Deadly Nightshade. Ooh, yes. Hooray. Okay, get it, girl. My voice just loves to crack, so let me mend it back together and say that again. Get it, girl. I don't know if you guys can see the smoke, but I have an instant burning again. And for the same reason that it did a few videos ago. So don't mind it. I'm feeling like Bernie Mac up in here talking to you. Here I am. Back to the program. Get to the program. So I want to put this on my head before I do anything else. And that's what I'm going to do. Not this video, but probably the next one. We are going to cover up what happened here with the Raven hair dye by Manic Panic. That one's just not meant for me, and that's okay. Since I'm about to use this, can we just open it up and take a look and appreciate the goodness that comes in this jar right here? I don't have nails ever. I need like a pull tab. You ever opened this with your mouth and got it in your mouth? Ooh, okay. Miss Plum over here. It don't smell like plum. Let's get you a better view. Behold. I just want to poke it. I just want to scoop it out like jelly and spread it on a sandwich. So I guess that's it for my unboxing. Please stay tuned to see what happens on my next mental breakdown. Video. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to me if you haven't already. If you love me, please show me some love. Like this video if you would like to. Comment if you have something to say, as long as it's nice. I will see you guys soon. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe as always. See you next time. Please stay tuned to see what happens on my next mental breakdown. I really need friends.